Hello and welcome back. Today we have an easy story for you at an A2 level. It's about a young woman called Nina and a very important day. Don't worry about every word. Just relax, listen, and follow along. Let's begin. Nina was a student. She lived in a small flat on Maple Street and she studied at the college in town. She worked hard and she had a dream. One day, she wanted a good job, but first, she had to pass her exams. Tomorrow was the most important exam of the year. Nina was nervous, very nervous. I must do well, she thought. This exam is so important. For 2 weeks, Nina had studied every day. She went to the library and read her books. She practiced the difficult questions again and again. She made notes and she read them at night. She was tired, but she did not stop. The evening before the exam, Nina went to Sam's café to study. She ordered a cup of coffee. Sam saw her books on the table. "Big exam tomorrow?" he asked with a smile. "Yes," said Nina, "and I'm so nervous." Sam gave her the coffee. "Here you are, this one is on me," he said kindly. "You have studied hard, I know you can do it. Good luck tomorrow." Nina smiled. "Thank you, Sam," she said. That kind word made her feel a little better. That night, Nina tried to sleep, but her mind was busy. Numbers and words went round and round in her head. Finally, she slept. The next morning, Nina woke up early. Her stomach felt strange. She was too nervous to eat. She walked to the college and she found the exam room. Many other students were there and they all looked nervous too. The teacher gave out the exam papers. "You have 2 hours," she said. "You may begin." Nina took a deep breath. She opened her paper and read the first question, and then something wonderful happened. She knew the answer. She knew the next one too. All her hard work was there in her head, ready to help her. Her hand moved quickly across the paper. She was still nervous, but now she felt strong. 2 hours later, the exam was over. Nina walked out into the sunshine. She was very tired, but she was smiling. "I did my best," she thought. "I studied hard and I did my best." She did not know her result yet, but whatever happened, she was proud of herself. She took out her phone and sent a message to Sam. "It's finished. I think it went well. Thank you for the coffee and the good luck." Let's review some useful English from the story to study, to read and learn, to prepare for school or an exam. Nina studied every day. An exam, an important test at school or college. Nina had a big exam. Nervous, the worried feeling you get before something important. Nina was very nervous. To pass, to succeed in an exam, to do well enough. Nina wanted to pass. And to practice, to do something again and again to get better. She practiced the difficult questions. Finally, a very useful phrase. Good luck. We say this to someone before something difficult or important. "Good luck tomorrow," said Sam. "That's our story for today." Nina studied hard, felt nervous, and did her best on her big exam. Did it go well? We will find out soon. Watch it again tomorrow and you will understand even more. Thank you for watching. Take care. And I'll see you in the next story.